Thabo and Mbali drinks their sorrows away. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Share. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on DURBAN Gen from the 1st to the 5th of November 2021 on Monday. Mbali has to deal with the consequences of marrying Thabo. Kwabe is back with a new lease on life and medicine. MacGyver gets more than he bargained for in his new partner on Tuesday. It's the aftermath of the breakup and the entire hospital is talking. Kwabe tries to fit in with the crowd, but she is a totally nuisance, while MacGyver cannot stand his new partner on Wednesday. Mbali has to deal with the aftermath of destroying Lililani's office and the hospital gossip. She lashes out at everyone, including her closest friend, and seems close to losing all passion for her job. Is she on the verge of losing her job on Thursday? Mbali and Thabo drinks their sorrows away, while MacGyver is determined to find a way to bring back Bab Gumede and escape the nightmare that is Angzwanga on Friday. Mbali is on a downslope and she thinks no one sees, but Sneh and Pumeza are on to her. Meanwhile, MacGyver is on a mission to get Bab Gumede to return to the hospital, but he gets disappointed by his own person. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.